welcome guys. Today I wanted to talk to you about dash cams and systems that we've been using, what experience we have since we invested in our system for the fleet. As a medium-sized fleet, definitely pays off. Small, medium-sized fleet, it pays off to have one. It brought a lot of confidence, I guess, in being able to produce evidence in case the accident was in question. We have, as you know, truckers are always at fault, and we want to make sure that we cover every minor incident. Any accident is, we have the evidence. So the way we went about it is we purchased a system that came with ELDs, and that helped us a lot. The one we're using is very well. The dash cam and the ELD work very well together, and it's been definitely a help, a step up from what we had before. And what I've seen is the outward cameras definitely help us out. The inward cameras, which we didn't install, I only went with the forward facing just because I wouldn't want camera looking at myself all the time, and that's my personal preference. I think there is benefit in those cameras, and I know companies and fleets use them, and that's great, and I see the value in it. But as a small size fleet, I decided not to do that. And with that, the disadvantage is that we really don't know what our drivers are doing in the cab, and that's I guess that's okay. What I want to make sure is when we're involved in an accident, the outward cameras are helping to prove that we were not at fault. And definitely we won a couple of cases in court since then. It was pretty quick. We just pull up the video and here you go. That helped us a lot. If you don't have one, I highly recommend looking into anything that you can buy at a truck stop. Garmin's or GoPros are good for that. Just buy a big 64 gigabyte card and have that running on the loop all the time. And there are definitely systems for an owner operators and small fleets, a few truck fleets that you don't have to really subscribe to anything and pay monthly fees. But definitely having that option to cover your truck is a good thing to do. That's pretty much it. Subscribe if you haven't, and I talk to you soon.